One method of calculating the approximate age in years of a tree of a particular species is to multiply the diameter of the tree in inches by a constant called the growth factor for that species. The table above gives the growth factors for 8 species of trees. So actually this is giving us a nice equation. To find the age of a tree, you want to take the diameter of that tree and you multiply it by some growth factor, which comes from this table right here. Now for the question. It says, the scatter plot above gives the tree diameter plotted against age for 26 trees for a single species. The growth factor of this species is closest to that of which of the following species of tree. So to answer this question, we need to find the growth factor. And we already have a formula right here that says to find the age, you take the diameter times the growth factor. So we want to manipulate this equation to isolate g, so get g by itself. Let's divide each side by d. And that shows us that to find the growth factor, you simply take the age and you divide by the diameter. So looking at the data given here, we can try this out and say, you know what? We want to find the growth factor of this tree. So pick a point, for example, let's say when the diameter is 14, follow it, and we see the age is right around 100. So to find the growth factor, it would be around 100 divided by 14. And we can try 2 of them just to be sure. Let's maybe use like a 16. When the diameter is 16, it looks like the age is around 115-ish. So let's do this and divide each of these and see what we end up with. So 100 divided by 14 gives us around 7.14-ish, and 115 divided by 16 gives us around 7.18. So we know that the growth factor is around 7, right? So we go back to our table and find which tree has a growth factor of 7, and it's very clear that the answer to this must be shagbark hickory, which makes D the answer to this question.